Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I visited Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a small medieval town in Germany which is 749 years old and has a population of about 11,000 people. This fairy tale village or town has a past history of a war from 1618 to 1648. I hope you like and enjoy this video. As you walk along the cobblestone streets, colorful timber mixed houses greet you. Huge doors with wrought iron signs hanging are not a surprise. The town has 42 towers. The city wall stretches for about 4 kilometers and protects this tiny town as if it is frozen in time. The view from Rothenburg Tower is breathtaking. The famous Fleur line or the little square is seen on picture postcards. The Medieval Crime Museum. This criminal museum contains various punishment and torture devices used during the Middle Age. The Christmas shop. Schneeball, the specialty of Rothenburg ob der Tauber. A night walk with a night watchman is really interesting, as he tells you the historical story of the little town and brings this medieval town back to life. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.